My name is Asmita and I'm representing our team, Armor Browser. We were given this opportunity to participate in this pre-incubation program named ARAMBH from Aditya University. So this program was held over the course of 8 days, and each day a new speaker with their own expertise came and explained their idea and how we have to propose our idea. So we learned about self-validation, business proposals, and how to pitch our idea in this real-life world. So one session I really enjoyed was where this sir came and told us that we have to spend more time on the problem before jumping into the solution. So personally for our project, we were focusing on the desktop app, and then we were already planning on making it into a mobile application. But after sir explained that we are allowed to spend more than 3 months or whatever duration possible with the problem before jumping into the solution, we learned that it's fine to take it slow and learn about the problem before jumping into the solution.
I would like to mention some highlights that we learned through this pre-incubation program in 8 days activity. First one is how much worthy our problem statement. It's useful to the current people. And then primary experience is better compared to the secondary experience. And then we'd like to quote our best experience in the session finance. That Sir said two terminologies like CAPEX and OPEX. And he said every startup, every interested people who to run their own startup should focus on OPEX, which we can save money and we run our business smoothly. And another some sessions we learn how to bounce back from our failures, and mainly we should focus on perseverance and some other works what we've done for our startup mainly. Thank you for giving this opportunity to the EDC cell, Aditya University, for allowing us in pre-incubation program. We learned a lot. Thank you.
Hey everyone, this is Akanksha and I'm representing my team Legalens AI. We have participated in the pre-incubation program conducted by our EDC cell Aditya University. Before joining this pre-incubation program, we have just the idea and the knowledge of our project, but going through all these sessions and joining in this pre-incubation program, we have gained much knowledge in all these aspects, and the sessions we have attended, just like the finance and design thinking and managerial economics. By going all these sessions, we have gained a lot knowledge in all these aspects, and we became much more stronger than previous one. And in my personal opinion, personal choice and opinion, I had a very great session with design thinking and a very great interaction with the resource of the day. And thank you EDC for giving us this opportunity, and we enjoyed all these sessions and we have gained much more knowledge about it. And in the future, we are expecting much more like the sessions like this from the EDC cell and Aditya University. Thank you.